Welcome to Frequent Dividends, where simplicity meets profitability. Joining is a breeze. Just walk in, register, and you're part of the family. Customer information is the key to exclusive rewards. No fuss, just a simple tap. Every visit becomes a rewarding experience. Customers' loyalty pays dividends. Frequent Dividends is a white label service. It's all about your branding, guiding customers to your website once they register. See how businesses like yours are already adding to their profits and reaping the rewards. Here's what one of our clients has to say about us and Frequent Dividend service they've been using for a year.
We have been using FreD for a number of years at different locations that we have, and this is by far one of the best loyalty programs that we've used. It is easy to use, it is very affordable, and one of the most important things, one of the best things about it is how we get to keep track of ourselves and our regulars, and we can stay in touch with them. The email information and the phone number that you get from the customers is amazing, because especially for us, every time we open a new location, every time you add something new to the menu, it's just so simple to let all our regulars, all our customers know about it. And that's worth a lot.
Every time customers come in, they simply scan the same QR code and show their phone to a staff member to register the purchase and to receive the dividend, if appropriate. Your business may be running our service, but it's always in control.